Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
Today's project idea is perfect for Father's Day, or really for anyone who likes a nice cold beer. I want my design to be right in the middle, so I'm going to show you a little trick with Post-it notes today. So what I did here was measure my sides and figured out where I want my picture to be, and then I just put a Post-it note around each side. This is going to help me line it perfectly up with my box. Once your image is in position, just gently place it on, and you can easily pull out the Post-it notes from behind the stencil paper without wrecking your box at all. Just push your design onto the box and peel off your transfer paper. All you have to do is just open it and fill it up with your favorite beer. Thanks for watching! If you liked this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.